Let's configure the custom button component to trigger personalized actions, multi-step workflows, and integrations with internal systems and third-party APIs. Begin by entering the button label. Use square brackets if you require multi-language support. Toggle visibility and use line break to manage row positioning. Enable Apply Theme to customize the button's aesthetic. You can define gradient fills, select icons, and manage corner radius or shadows. If your workflow involves hardware integration, enable ZPL printing. Map custom placeholders to form fields using the @ symbol. Manually use Zebra programming language format or the Visual Designer to build labels via drag and drop. Toggle batch printing to generate labels for every selected row in a grid. Define the logic triggered when the button is clicked and choose where the service executes. J.D. Edwards targets specific application forms or data services tables. Database SQL write custom queries and inject form variables using the @feature-swift objects map form data to internal objects for insert, update, or delete operations. REST API. Select a collection, define the request type, and use the play button to test the response in real time. Or enable SwiftFlow for advanced multi-step automation. You can select a workflow and use the mapping table or custom JSON body to define the API payload using curly brackets for dynamic variables. Create success and error templates. Use curly brackets to inject a dynamic response variable. Toggle skip form validation if the action should run regardless of empty fields, or use conditional execution to ensure the button only runs if specific data rules are met. The custom button serves as the functional bridge between your user interface and your back-end logic, providing a highly configurable way to manage complex business processes.